Focus, focus.
Today I'm reacting to a challenge from America's Next Top Model where they make the girls become statues and get attacked by pigeons for a photography challenge. I don't know. Let's check it out.
We're walking in Regent Park, and we ran into this beautiful statue, and it's Miss J standing up in full-on freeze mode.
Hey, Jay. Very good. See how focused he is.
But is he, though? He just moved. He was in a different pose, like 10 seconds ago. He's holding 2 plates, as we all do when we're learning poses. Are those the plates for today's lunch? What's going on here? Sandwiches?
He's not fazed by my talking about him. I'm sure his eyes aren't even coming down.
Well, for today's challenge, you'll be judged.
Not even 5 seconds and he breaks. He's like, I can't do this anymore. Mrs. J's like, okay, you know what? Hi guys. I got an appointment actually. I gotta run. Let's wrap this up. I don't even want to be here.
Well, for today's challenge, you'll be judged on statuesque poses, focus, and concentration.
The assignment today is going to be they have to stand still to learn about poses by standing still. And that's going to help them model by not moving. Even when posing is about giving different poses and not staying in the same pose. Okay. Yeah. All right.
So, girls, you're going to have to deal with all the distractions around you. Whoever keeps their pose the best is going to win. I will choose one winner, and the winner is going to get a huge shopping spree.
Okay, is that going to be in cash? What, like a check mailed to the house? What kind of, like, is that the kind of shopping spree? Or is it like you're going to pay at the register? Because I'm kind of interested. Where are we going to be able to shop here? Is it like a Forever 21 moment? Or are we hitting up Gucci and Chanel and all that? Because that's going to determine how hard I work. How much effort am I putting into this competition? If this were me, personally, I think this is more of a fun challenge than anything. I don't think it's something that a model would learn posing from, staying still. I feel like for film photographers, this would definitely apply because you have to stay still when taking film photos, at least some film photos. But now with everything being digital, I mean, the cameras can take pictures super fast, catch really fast movements. So again, it doesn't seem to me like the benefit is to the girls. It just seems like, again, like a fun challenge. So, okay, let's see what this is about. What are the distractions going to be? You going to throw tomatoes or what?
Since we're going to have you pose like statues, we're going to have you look like statues.
What? The wardrobe for this challenge is full-on body paint, so we could look like statues.
Feel absolutely ridiculous.
Oh my God.
What I would like you to do is to get up on this pedestal.
Why? Why though? I don't feel like they need to put on a costume to be able to do this challenge. They're like, you can't do this without us spray painting you from head to toe. This is $10 of silver that we're spray painting on you. They're trying to spice things up with the costume. Okay. All right. We're having fun. So much fun. I'm just enjoying this. I'm not, but they're having fun. I get it. America's Next Top Model, they always got to add the sprinkles to the cake.
What I would like you to do is to get up on this pedestal. I'm going to present you with these 2 silver trays. I want you to choose your fiercest, strongest pose you can give me.
Come up with your pose.
Okay, I'm ready.
Choose your first pose.
You ready for your first pose? I'm going to time you for a minute, okay?
We're competing for a shopping spree.
Balance it. You ready?
I really want to win the challenge because that's probably the coolest prize that we've got at a challenge yet.
Give it a pose.
I get up there and I'm thinking like, okay, I can so do this and this is gonna be my challenge.
Focus, focus.
Did they, wait, did they put food in the plate? Why else would the pigeons be coming towards it? Are they having them hold like bird food in this plate and having them pose? That is so wrong. What? Because I'm like, why would the pigeons just show up out of nowhere? They have other things to do. I watch the movies. I see what the pigeons do. They have meetings. They have like PTA staff ventures to attend to. They don't have time to be just flying onto plates. Pigeons are very time efficient. They know where to go to get food. They're not gonna waste their time. Why else would they be here? That's right. I see this little one eating right there.
Okay.
Sahten. But I doubt that they had birdseed in that plate that Mrs. J was holding. I doubt. I didn't see any pigeons. And now suddenly the girls try to do this and they're being attacked by birds. Did they know that they were holding plates with birdseed, or I don't even know what that is? Crushed up Doritos? I don't know what birds even eat. I think pigeons eat anything, right? I don't know. I happen to like pigeons, okay? I met one when I was in Italy. He was following me around. I'm pretty sure it was because of food, and then he left me. But we had a good connection there. So actually, pigeons are like, we're cool. So, but some people have called them the garbage disposals of the sky? I don't know, something like that. Which that's a little messed up. You guys have some respect, okay?
Focus.
Pigeons are the dirtiest birds you could possibly find.
I have a pigeon on my head.
Yes, you do, baby. But they're all on toilet trained, don't worry.
Pigeons are flying rats. They eat rats. They'd probably eat me if they could.
When Brie realized that they were pigeons, she lost it a bit.
You know, if this were me, I'm picking the easiest pose. Honestly, I don't mind if I'm feeding the pigeons. They deserve to eat. Look at this one up there. He's actually really cute.
I kind of needed to step up my game, so I put it all out of my head.
Fantastic. Nick, she didn't blink. She froze her pose properly.
I love the double.
Are they stacked like Pringles on each other? I don't even know I did not know that pigeons could do that. They're talented. What can you say? You can say a lot of things about pigeons, okay? Look at this. America's Got Talent. Bring them on the show.
I love the double-headed pigeon hat. It's brilliant.
I didn't really mind the pigeons by the end. Felt kind of nice when they were scratching my head.
That way you really have no distractions now. You can't see a damn thing.
Kim lacked a bit of imagination when it came to the poses. Jayla, she looked like she was concentrating too hard.
I think they said it was a minute long. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it was longer, but it seems like it's going on for quite a bit of time. I mean, at this point, she can't even see the pigeon like knock down the headband, her headband. This poor girl. It looks like, okay, diving deeper here. I'm going to zoom in to the plate that she's holding. It looks like a little bowl. There's something in here. You guys, let's figure this out. This is really interesting. Like, I'm onto something here. I'm like playing detective here. I'm like, okay, what did they do to get all these pigeons on the girls? And look at, he's just treating this like it's a bed. He's like, oh, this is a nice suite. This is the penthouse. He's checking into his hotel. I mean, why is he there? Is there like a Craigslist ad on the pigeon internet that you guys found?
I just started crying. I made a fool of myself, but seriously, I just don't like huge birds on top of me.
Fantastic. All poses done.
This has to be the funniest challenge ever.
That was literally humiliating. I am humiliated.
Nicole complains about everything.
Seriously? I never want to do that again with those nasty things.
Her voice is so annoying. It's so sharp and alarming.
I was in tears streaming down my face saying,
My
I don't see any of that happening on a photo shoot situation in 2021. I don't know what studio, like what kind of studio would have all of these things. If they're just like, okay, bring in the pigeons. But I get it. It's reality TV. I do understand that they dress up certain things, whether it's the girls in costume or the actual creative photo shoot concept. They over-exaggerate. They try to make things fun. I get it. The model said that she felt humiliated, which, you know, that's never nice to hear, that a model feels humiliated after something that's supposed to help them learn more about posing, which was the whole point of them learning about the statues and all of that, doing the tour. Let's see who wins the undisclosed amount of shopping spree. They never said how much it was going to be worth. They're just like, you get a shopping spree. Imagine it's like only $10. He's like, well, we didn't say how much. We're on a budget. Okay? Talk to Tyra.
Today, the winner of this challenge gets to go on a shopping spree. And the shopping spree is worth $15,000.
Okay, I take it back. I take it back. $15,000. I'm sorry I said anything. Wow. I'm thinking over here like, okay, maybe like $200 maybe. Here's a gas card. You can fill up at your nearest station. $15,000? Are you sure? Is that American? Is that in pounds? Cause that'll get me more for my money. I'm just saying. I would convert that really quickly back to American dollars.
Oh my goodness. Child.
And not only that, she gets to take 2 friends along
Oh my
with her.
goodness.
Okay, is it 15,000 each, or is it I need to know details. I need to know how much effort I'm putting into this challenge. But truly, if this were me, I'm just doing maybe one of like these. I'm smizing. I'm smizing because how can you argue with that? You're going to go against Tyra? Okay, be my guest.
I'm going to go for... Oh! Okay, next! Yeah! Oh, it's been a pleasure.
I've never won anything here before. I've kind of been like the girl in the bottom when it comes to challenges, so it kind of feels good to be the one on top right now.
So who are you going to take?
I'm going to take...
Jessica. Kobeissi. That's how... It's never too late, Nick. I'm just saying, I'm still here. I'm available.
Bree and Jayla.
All the gold goddesses. Oh, it must have been tough.
So you're gonna shop till you drop, baby.
Thank you.
$15,000. That's probably more than the girls get when they win. He's like, this is more than the actual prize of this entire show. If I won that challenge, I'd be like, okay, just eliminate me after this because I got the purses that I need. I don't really need to be here. I'm done. I would not have tried hard at all. I wouldn't have tried. I would put 0 effort into all of this. That's why I probably wouldn't make it that far. Like episode 11, you wouldn't see me at episode 11. Like first episode, I'm out.